Welcome back, everybody. I'm Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub, and we are doing a preview break of 2017-18 Panini Optic Basketball. This is the Mega Box Retail. As you can see here, it's 4 cards per pack, 10 packs, and you get 20 rated rookies. And then you also get red and yellow parallels and 2 hollow prisms. Obviously, with this year's rookie class, you're really aiming for those low number rookie parallels. A lot to put in a big box like that, or a big box for a little amount of cards, which I think is a little ridiculous. There's probably a reason why Panini is overcharging for some of their product. But anyway, so 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. And these on average cost about $35 at your Walmarts. This is not the Target version. I guess the Target version has a different parallel. So let's just get right to it. So if you haven't seen it yet, this is what your Optic base cards look like this year. Karl Anthony Towns starting it off. And then we get a Hall Kings, George Mikan. I already see we get a red and yellow of Josh Hart. And I don't believe these are numbered. They are not. And then an Ante Zizic. So those are our 2 rookies that we got in this pack. So pack 1, 2 rookies, 2 parallels, and an insert. I should say 2 parallel rookies and an insert. Then we get a Paul George, and then here's our hollow Draymond Green. Our rookies are Zuki and Damian Dotson. The red and yellows remind me of a fruit roll-up. Kevin Durant base card. We get a Court Kings, Klay Thompson. Then we get Harry Giles and De'Aaron Fox on the red and yellow rookies. Josh Hart base rated rookie. We get a Court Kings Bam, so we get 4 rookie cards in this pack. Frank Jackson and Milos Teodosic. So all 4 cards in that pack were all rookies. We get Ersan Ilyasova. And then, here we go. Lonzo Ball Rookie Kings Hollow. And that is not numbered. So Lonzo Ball Rookie Kings Hollow Prism. Very cool. And then our 2 rookies, Markelle Fultz and Justin Patton. Not a bad pair. So that's a solid pack right there. Vince Carter. And then we get a Hall Kings, Dr. J, Julius Erving. And then a Sterling Brown and Terrence Ferguson. Rated rookie, red and yellow. Blake Griffin, silver rated rookie, Ante Zizic. Then we get Jonathan Isaac and Thomas Bryant for the red yellow. Malik Monk. And then we get another Rookie Kings Malik Monk as well. Not a prism, this is just the base. Then we get Lauri Markkanen and Kyle Kuzma. Not a bad pack right there. Another pack with 4 rookie cards. We get Chris Dunn base, and then we get a Court Kings Steph Curry. So we got both Klay Thompson and Steph Curry in this box. Then we get Luke Kennard and Gershon Yabusele for the red-yellow rookies. And our last pack out of these 10 packs for this box. TJ Warren. We get a Hall Kings Elgin Baylor. Davon Reed and DJ Wilson. So that was 1 mega box of 17-18 Panini Optic Basketball.